An employee's resignation cannot be accepted retrospectively if it has already been withdrawn before acceptance, held by the Punjab and Haryana High Court. Let's dive into the details of this case. An accountant who worked for years submitted his resignation in November 1993 with a 1-month notice. But the employer did not accept it immediately and asked him to settle an outstanding loan first. By August 1994, he decided to withdraw his resignation and he submitted a letter requesting to rejoin the service. But here's the twist. The employer accepted his resignation retrospectively from November 1993. This person wasn't happy with this. He challenged the retrospective acceptance of his resignation in court, arguing that since his resignation was withdrawn before acceptance, it should not be accepted at all. The court ruled that once an employee withdraws their resignation before it's accepted, the authority has no jurisdiction to accept it with retrospective effect. The resignation could only be accepted after it was approved by the competent authority. The court emphasized, resignation only takes effect once the employer formally accepts it. There's no deemed acceptance in law, especially with a retrospective effect. As a result, the court set aside the retrospective resignation acceptance. This person was reinstated in service and entitled to 50% of back wages along with all other retirement benefits. The key takeaway: employees can withdraw their resignation before it's accepted, and the employers cannot accept it retrospectively without jurisdiction. Want to stay updated on more legal rulings? Don't forget to follow Live Law. To read the judgment in detail, please go to our website www.livelaw.in and check out the Labour and Service section. If you find the video useful, please like and share. For daily news and legal explainers, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.